Most hunters believe reliability comes from complicated engineering, high-capacity magazines, advanced bolt systems, and modern tactical features. But history tells a different story. Some of the most dependable hunting rifles ever carried into the field had something very different in common. No magazines, no complicated mechanisms, just one round and absolute mechanical confidence. Today, we're looking at 7 of the most reliable single-shot hunting rifles ever made. Rifles trusted by generations of hunters when the moment of truth came down to a single shot. Single-shot rifles may look simple, but that simplicity is exactly what makes them legendary. With fewer moving parts, stronger actions, and almost zero feeding issues, these rifles have built a reputation for mechanical reliability that few repeating rifles can match. From classic frontier rifles to modern hunting designs, these 7 rifles represent some of the most trusted single-shot platforms ever created. Let's begin with one of the most iconic. Number 7. CVA Scout V2. The CVA Scout V2 represents the modern evolution of the classic single-shot hunting rifle. While many rifles on this list come from historical designs, the Scout V2 demonstrates how the same philosophy of simplicity and reliability continues to serve today's hunters in practical ways. At its core, the rifle uses a straightforward break-action system. This type of action has been trusted by hunters for generations because it relies on very few moving parts. With fewer mechanical components involved in the firing cycle, there are naturally fewer opportunities for something to malfunction. In real hunting conditions, where cold temperatures, rain, dust, or rough terrain can challenge any firearm, that simplicity can make a meaningful difference. Another strength of the CVA Scout V2 is its practical field design. The rifle is relatively lightweight, which makes it comfortable to carry during long hikes, mountain hunts, or extended days in the backcountry. Its balance also helps shooters maintain stable positions when a careful, well-placed shot is required. For hunters who value mobility and simplicity, that balance between weight and control is a major advantage. Modern manufacturing has also contributed to the rifle's dependable reputation. The materials and machining used in the Scout V2 give the rifle a solid and durable feel while maintaining the straightforward operation that single-shot rifles are known for. The design focuses on function and reliability rather than unnecessary complexity. For many hunters, the appeal of the CVA Scout V2 is refreshingly simple. It's a rifle built around the core principles that have defined dependable hunting firearms for generations: simplicity, durability, and confidence when the moment of truth arrives. Number 6. Sharps 1874. The Sharps 1874 is one of the most legendary single-shot rifles ever associated with North American hunting history. Originally developed during the era of westward expansion, this rifle quickly earned a reputation for strength, reliability, and remarkable long-range capability. At the heart of the design is a powerful falling block action. This system locks the cartridge firmly in place with a large steel breech block, creating a strong and stable platform for firing. The mechanism is also mechanically simple, which helped the rifle perform consistently in the demanding conditions of the American frontier. During the late 19th century, hunters often operated in environments that were far from forgiving. Dust, wind, extreme temperatures, and long days in open country were part of daily life. Firearms used in these situations had to function dependably with minimal maintenance. The Sharps 1874 proved it could handle those challenges, which is why it became widely respected among hunters of the period. Another reason for the reputation is its balance between power and precision. Many Sharps rifles were chambered in large black powder cartridges designed for hunting big game across wide-open landscapes. The rifle's sturdy construction and stable action helped shooters deliver accurate shots even at extended distances. Even today, the legacy of the Sharps 1874 continues. Modern reproductions are still used by enthusiasts who appreciate traditional shooting disciplines and historic rifle craftsmanship. More than a century after its introduction, The Sharps remains a powerful reminder that a well-designed single-shot rifle can offer both reliability and timeless performance in the field. Number 5. Remington Rolling Block. The Remington Rolling Block is widely regarded as one of the simplest and most durable rifle actions ever created. Developed in the 19th century, this design became known around the world for its strength, reliability, and straightforward mechanical operation. The rifle's action is built around a rotating breech block paired with an external hammer. When the hammer is cocked, the breech block rolls into position and securely supports the cartridge in the chamber. This system creates a very strong lockup while keeping the internal mechanism extremely simple. With only a few major moving parts, the action is both easy to maintain and highly resistant to mechanical problems. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Remington Rolling Block is how widely it was adopted. Variations of this rifle were used by military forces and civilian shooters in many different countries. That level of international use helped establish its reputation as a dependable firearm capable of functioning in a wide range of environments and climates. For hunters, the benefits of this design were clear. The action was strong enough to handle powerful cartridges of its era, and the simple loading process made the rifle easy to operate under real field conditions. Whether carried on remote hunts or used for everyday shooting, the Rolling Block gained a reputation for functioning reliably even after years of use. Today, surviving examples of these rifles are still appreciated by collectors, historians, and shooting enthusiasts. Their continued functionality after more than a century speaks volumes about the durability of the design. The Remington Rolling Block remains a classic example of how simplicity and solid engineering can create a rifle that stands the test of time. Number 4. Henry Single-Shot Rifle. The Henry Single-Shot Rifle reflects a modern interpretation of a time-tested hunting concept. While many contemporary rifles rely on complex systems and detachable magazines, this rifle stays true to the traditional simplicity that has defined dependable hunting firearms for generations. At the center of the design is a smooth break-action mechanism. This type of action is known for its straightforward operation and mechanical reliability. Because the system uses relatively few moving parts, it minimizes the chances of feeding or cycling issues that can occasionally occur with repeating rifles. For hunters who value consistency and ease of use in the field, that simplicity can be a major advantage. Another reason many hunters appreciate the Henry Single-Shot Rifle is its thoughtful balance and handling characteristics. The rifle is designed to feel natural in the hands, making it comfortable to carry during long days outdoors. Whether walking through wooded terrain or setting up for a careful shot from a stable position, the rifle's balance helps shooters maintain steady control. The overall construction also reflects the manufacturer's focus on traditional craftsmanship. Quality materials and careful machining give the rifle a solid feel while maintaining the straightforward operation that defines single-shot firearms. The design emphasizes durability and reliability rather than unnecessary complexity. In practical hunting situations, that philosophy often proves valuable. When a hunter needs a rifle that functions consistently and operates without complication, a well-built single-shot design can offer exactly that kind of confidence. The Henry Single-Shot Rifle continues that tradition, combining classic simplicity with modern manufacturing standards to deliver a dependable hunting tool. Number 3. Thompson Center Encore. The Thompson Center Encore is one of the most versatile single-shot rifle platforms ever developed for modern hunters. Introduced as an evolution of earlier break-action designs, the Encore quickly gained a strong reputation for reliability, adaptability, and consistent field performance. At the heart of the rifle is a robust break-action system. This design is known for its mechanical simplicity, which is one of the main reasons many hunters trust it in demanding conditions. With fewer internal components compared to many repeating rifles, the action operates smoothly and predictably, reducing the chances of mechanical complications during a hunt. One of the defining characteristics of the Encore platform is its interchangeable barrel system. Hunters can configure the rifle for different purposes simply by switching barrels designed for different calibers. This flexibility allows the same platform to be used for different types of hunting or shooting applications, making it a practical choice for those who appreciate versatility in their equipment. Beyond its adaptability, the Encore is also respected for its solid construction. The action is designed to handle a wide range of modern cartridges while maintaining the straightforward operation that break-action rifles are known for. The rifle's balance and manageable weight also make it comfortable to carry during long days in the field. In real hunting scenarios, reliability and simplicity matter more than anything else. The Thompson Center Encore delivers both qualities in a platform that has proven itself over many years of use. For hunters who want a dependable single-shot rifle with modern flexibility, the Encore remains one of the most trusted options available. Number 2. Winchester Model 1885 High Wall. The Winchester Model 1885 High Wall is widely regarded as one of the strongest and most respected single-shot rifles ever produced. First introduced in the late 19th century, this rifle quickly earned a reputation for exceptional strength, durability, and mechanical reliability. The design was created by the legendary firearms engineer John Moses Browning, whose work shaped many of the most influential firearms in history. The Model 1885 was one of his earliest successful rifle designs, and it immediately stood out for its innovative falling block action. What makes the high wall version unique is the tall receiver that surrounds much of the cartridge case. This extended receiver design provides additional support and strength when the rifle is fired, allowing it to handle powerful cartridges with remarkable stability. The falling block mechanism itself is also extremely simple and robust, locking the cartridge firmly in place while maintaining smooth and dependable operation. Hunters and shooters of the era valued rifles that could perform reliably in demanding conditions, and the Model 1885 quickly proved it was up to the task. The sturdy steel construction and straightforward internal design meant the rifle could endure years of regular use while continuing to function consistently. Even today, the Winchester Model 1885 High Wall remains highly respected among collectors, hunters, and shooting enthusiasts. Many original rifles built more than a century ago are still in working condition, which speaks volumes about the durability of the design. It stands as a lasting example of how strong engineering and mechanical simplicity can create a rifle that remains dependable across generations. Number 1. Ruger No.1. The Ruger No.1 is often considered one of the finest modern single-shot hunting rifles ever produced. Introduced in the late 1960s by Bill Ruger, the rifle was designed to bring the elegance of classic British sporting rifles into a modern American hunting platform. At the heart of the Ruger No.1 is a powerful falling block action inspired by traditional Farquharson designs. This system uses a solid steel breech block that rises vertically to lock the cartridge securely in place. The result is an action known for exceptional strength, capable of handling a wide range of hunting cartridges while maintaining smooth and dependable operation. One of the unique advantages of the Ruger No.1 is its compact design. Because the action does not require a traditional bolt system, the rifle can achieve a full-length barrel while keeping the overall rifle length relatively short. This creates a well-balanced firearm that handles comfortably in the field and is easier to maneuver in tight hunting environments, such as dense forests or mountainous terrain. Hunters also appreciate the Ruger No.1 for its solid construction and refined feel. The rifle is built with strong materials and careful machining, giving it a reputation for durability and consistent performance over many years of use. Its clean lines and classic appearance have also made it one of the most visually distinctive hunting rifles ever produced. In the end, the Ruger No.1 represents the perfect blend of tradition and modern engineering. By combining a strong falling block action with thoughtful design and reliable performance, it has earned its place as one of the most respected single-shot hunting rifles in the world. Single-shot rifles may seem simple compared to many modern repeating rifles, but that simplicity is exactly what has made them so dependable for generations of hunters. With fewer moving parts and strong, straightforward actions, these rifles have built a reputation for reliability that is hard to match. When everything comes down to a single moment in the field, many experienced hunters appreciate the confidence that a well-built single-shot rifle can provide. From historic designs like the Sharps Model 1874 and the Remington rolling block to modern hunting platforms like the Ruger No.1 and the CVA Scout V2, each rifle on this list represents a different era in the evolution of dependable hunting firearms. But they all share the same core idea: a simple, rugged design built to perform when it matters most. And sometimes, when the shot really counts, one well-placed round is all a hunter needs. If you had to take just one of these rifles into the field for your next hunt, which one would you trust the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy learning about legendary hunting rifles and practical field gear, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Alpha Gun Review for more in-depth firearm reviews and hunting content.